Have you ever faced a door slammed shut in your face, only to find it was the best thing that could have happened to you? Today, we're diving deep into the art of transforming rejection into a catalyst for personal growth. Rejection, a word that often stings, can become a stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate, but understanding that sometimes a no is a hidden yes to something greater. If you've ever felt overlooked, ignored, or undervalued, it's time to flip the script. In this session, we'll explore 13 powerful strategies to harness the power of rejection and turn it into your greatest strength. 1. Ignore them when faced with indifference. Don't shrink back. Rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you is not petty. It's a statement of self-worth. Their lack of interest is their loss, not yours. Redirect your energy to activities that enrich you, like learning new skills, spending time with supportive people, or pursuing your goals. By focusing on your growth, you reclaim your power and show that your value isn't diminished by someone's inability to see it. 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can hurt, but reacting emotionally often does more harm than good. Instead, embrace calmness. Ask yourself, why does this bother me? Often, it's not the rejection itself, but the insecurities it triggers. Take a step back, breathe, and reflect. Maintain composure and respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively. When you control your emotions, you master the situation and grow stronger. 3. Remove them from your mind. Detachment is a powerful tool. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Use the experience as a guide to new opportunities. Engage in activities that bring joy, challenge your thinking, or expand your horizons. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Rejection isn't a reflection of your worth, but an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. 4. Demonstrate your value. Rejection can be a chance to showcase your resilience. Instead of dwelling on being overlooked, channel your energy into action. Lead a project, develop a new skill, or pursue an initiative that highlights your abilities. Every setback is an opportunity to reassess your strengths and align with better opportunities. By focusing on growth, you transform rejection into a stepping stone for success. 5. Cut off contact. Sometimes silence is the most powerful response. When someone ignores or rejects you, resist the urge to chase them. Instead, take a step back and refocus on your own life. This isn't about playing games, it's about setting boundaries and protecting your mental peace. Silence gives you clarity and strength, allowing you to invest your energy where it truly matters. 6. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as motivation to excel. Sharpen your skills, pursue your goals, and achieve things you once thought impossible. Not for others, but for yourself. Quietly build your competence and let your results speak for themselves. By proving your own capabilities, you redefine your self-image and grow into a stronger version of yourself. 7. Go out and have fun. Rejection can make you want to withdraw, but the best response is to seek joy. Explore new hobbies, connect with friends, or try activities outside your comfort zone. These experiences help you grow, build resilience, and remind you that rejection is just one part of life, not its entirety. 8. Build your social status. Instead of seeking validation, focus on self-improvement and community involvement. Pursue fitness, hobbies, or career advancement, not to impress others, but to enhance yourself. Share your journey authentically, connect with like-minded people, and cultivate relationships that uplift you. Growth isn't about being seen, it's about becoming your best self. 9. Act as if they don't exist. If someone ignores you, redirect your energy elsewhere. Focus on people who value your presence and opportunities that nurture your growth. Keep interactions with indifferent individuals professional and to the point. By choosing not to engage in one-sided struggles, you preserve your energy for things that truly matter. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Silence can be a tool for reflection and emotional growth. Use moments of rejection to understand your feelings and build resilience. This isn't about punishing anyone. It's about prioritizing your peace. Silence helps you focus on your virtues and values, allowing you to emerge stronger and more centered. 11. Don't beg for attention. Your worth isn't dependent on someone else's acknowledgement. Instead of seeking validation, invest in yourself. Pursue your passions, connect with people who value you, and cultivate a fulfilling life. When you're content with your own growth, external validation becomes less relevant. 12. Be kind but emotionally distant. Respond to indifference with kindness, but maintain emotional boundaries. This isn't about building walls, it's about protecting your peace. By staying kind yet detached, you show strength and self-respect. This balanced approach allows you to interact gracefully while staying grounded in your own values. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Rejection can feel overwhelming, but displaying your struggles won't help. Instead, carry on with confidence and determination. This isn't about hiding your emotions. It's about managing them with dignity. By staying composed, you show resilience and affirm your self-worth. Remember, rejection isn't the end. It's a redirection toward growth and resilience. Each setback is a chance to learn, adapt, and rise stronger. Remember, your value isn't defined by someone else's opinion. It's determined by how you respond to challenges. Use these strategies to turn rejection into a stepping stone for success and personal transformation. Subscribe the channel for more helpful videos like this, and don't forget to share your experience. Bye-bye will be discussed in the next video.